Are in the living area, so ample amount of space has been provided. Super spacious kitchen area. So this is your royal master bedroom with ample amount. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayshree. Today we are at the project address by the builder DSR, which is located at Sajapura main road for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot in detail about the project, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best price possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So why wait? Hurry up and go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 13.5 acres with 6 towers, and the available stories are ground plus 30 floors, and the available variants are 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, this project is just few minutes drive from Sajapura Wipro Tech Park and Sajapura Decathlon, and this project has a 12 plus modern amenities such as a clubhouse, gymnasium, swimming pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, yoga lawn, jogging track and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat called the address by the builder DSR, which is located at Sajapura main road. So let's get inside for the tour. So as you walk inside, you can see this spacious drawing area. So there's ample amount of space for your sofa, television unit and a lot of space for you to design your drawing area. And this drawing area has a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the living area in this 3 BHK flat. So yes, we are in the living area. So ample amount of space has been provided for your sofa and for your table. So you can see how spacious the living area looks, and everything is well designed and planned. So this is your dining area. A lot of space has been provided to put your dining table and a lot of dining chairs as well. And as you can see, there's ample amount of space for you to customize and design your dining area. And near the dining area, you can find your balcony, which is super big. So you can design it just like this with a sitting arrangement and plants for beautiful view. So yes, you can spend your leisure time over here enjoying your coffee or tea. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this is your super big and super spacious kitchen area, which you can design with modular kitchen just like this. So you have ample amount of space to put your refrigerator and other utility things. And it's time to check the utility area. So this is a utility area, again very spacious and very big, as you can see. So you have a wash basin over there and a lot of space. Now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this way to the common bathroom. So as you head to the common bathroom, you can see over here we have wash basin with big mirror and storage unit. And this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a big window for ventilation. So this is your common bathroom, which is super spacious. Now it's time to check the first bedroom. This way to the first bedroom. So there's ample amount of space for your bed, wardrobe, your television unit. And this bedroom comes with a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So this is your first bedroom. Now it's time to check the second bedroom. So this way to the second bedroom. Wow. Super big, as you can see, ample amount of space for your bed, wardrobe, your television unit, your study area. And this bedroom comes with 2 big windows, one over here and one right behind the bed for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So everything is well designed. Look at the interiors. Wow, it's really amazing. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, a window for ventilation. So as you can see, the tile combination is pretty good. It gives a royal look, blue and white. So I hope you liked the room and the bathroom. Now it's time to check the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, the actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's head to the master bedroom. So this is your royal master bedroom with ample amount of space for your king size bed, wardrobe, television unit and study area. So as you can see, it's super big, and this master bedroom comes with a balcony. So with French sliding door. So this is your balcony with wooden floor finish and super big. You can customize it the way you want. You can spend your leisure time enjoying your coffee or tea. So this was the balcony in the master bedroom. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this way to the bathroom. Yes. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, big window for ventilation as you can see. And yes, wash basin, big mirror. So yes, and very well designed. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project address by the builder DSR, which is located at Sarjapura Main Road. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any feedback for this project, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful projects. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project address, which is located at Sarjapura Main Road by the builder DSR.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.